In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the flame essence deviant in one's human. So if we open up our map right now, as you can see, I'm currently positioned over here in this area, which is called Sutherland Chemical Plant. And you can get here easily by either teleporting to this teleportation tower over here, to this one over here, or pretty much going to Mayor's Market, Dadsville. There's a bunch of different teleportation towers you can teleport to and come here quick and easy. Now, what you can do inside here is come to this object over here. As you can see on my map right now, I'm positioned kind of at the top of this building. You can see this long building over here. This is where you want to go. And then you want to walk up these kind of ramp thing. And then simply follow it. And then you'll come to this place over here. And the flame essence should be positioned right somewhere around here in front of me. Now, if you can't find it, just like I can find it right now, what you want to do is simply change worlds. But yeah, simply go to the nearest teleportation tower, change the world because it may have despawned or someone else might have taken it, and then simply come back and check whether it's here. Now for me, the first time I got it, it took about 7 or 6 tries to get it, so I had to change the world 6 or 7 times, and then I came back over here and I was able to obtain it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.